Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Good, I hope. Today we will be taking a look at the YC Onion, aka Lasagna Teleprompter. We will learn all about it right after the intro. Now, let's step up our camera game. I decided to step up my camera game and pick up a teleprompter from Amazon to use with my iPad. I have been using my iPad for quite some time now. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you would notice I'm not looking directly at the camera. That's because I have my iPad right next to it and I'm reading from it. But today, that all changed with this new teleprompter that I have. Okay, it comes with a very lovely carrying case, and inside the case you get several lens mounts ranging from 49 to 77 millimeters. We'll take a look at this in a little bit. We also get a Bluetooth remote with battery. Also get some foam inserts to use your phone as a camera with the teleprompter. Teleprompter itself with a 70/30 glass. Here you get a universal tablet up to 11 inches and a phone mount to use with the teleprompter to read the words. Also, you get phone mounts to use your phone as a camera with the teleprompter. This is what it looks like connected to my camera on a tripod. And this is how it looks on my camera. Note, you will have to add additional lighting or increase your camera's ISO. Overall, for the price, I say it's okay. It's currently going for $80 on Amazon. I'm also considering making some modifications to this teleprompter. I have a 3D printer. To see what's coming up, please like the video. And if I get a minimum of 25 likes, I will make that video. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, dislike this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.